They're trying to eat healthy.
I'm sorry. Eating healthy is harder than I thought.
Well, what am I supposed to eat, man? Everyone might be clever as a person, but we're too stratospherically stupid as a people to ever get out of his traps.
Well, what are we supposed to eat if the rich keep poisoning us?